Salmon, tuna, macaroni salad. Look at that, guys. So we are at the counter with our ingredients. What she is doing is separating the bones. So let's get our salmon and tuna in here. So you're just gonna break it up a little. You got the mayo. You can always adjust. Okay.
Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle.
Want to add a little smokiness.
Zero comfort zone. Zero comfort zone. We season, we cook it, we eat it.
Couple of squirts. Little kosher salt. Give this a nice little mix. You want to cook your macaroni noodles al dente. Fresh lemon juice. The zest of a lemon. Scoop. Turn. Let this sit overnight fridge and serve the next day. Oh baby.